1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Historic peace talks between Afghan government and Taliban seeking to end the 19 years of war have begun in Doha, Qatar. Foreign Minister says commencement of intra-Afghan negotiations is the fruit of our combined efforts. Advisor on Finance says government has repaid 5,000 billion rupees debt during last 2 years. Chief of Naval Staff says Pakistan Navy will protect national maritime interests at all costs. And now the news in detail. Historic peace talks between the Afghan government and the Taliban seeking to end 19 years of war have begun in Doha, Qatar. Qatari Foreign Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdulrahman Al Thani, while kicking off the opening ceremony, said the warring sides must rise above all form of division by reaching an agreement on the basis of no victor and no vanquished. Speaking on the occasion, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo urged the rival sides to utilize this opportunity to secure peace for the sake of future generations in Afghanistan. Expressing his views, Abdullah, the Afghan government's top negotiator, said, "The history of our country will remember today as the end of the war and suffering of our people." Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says commencement of intra-Afghan negotiations today is the fruit of our combined efforts. Addressing the opening ceremony of intra-Afghan negotiations through video link, he said, Pakistan has long maintained that there is no military solution to the conflict in Afghanistan. Political solution is the only way forward. He said, we are gratified that our perspective is now widely shared across the international community. He said, we are also gratified that we have fulfilled our part of the responsibility. The foreign minister said it is now for the Afghan leaders to seize this historic opportunity, work together constructively, and secure an inclusive, broad-based, and comprehensive political settlement. He said spoilers from within and from without will pose formidable challenges. Constant vigilance will be required to guard against their machinations. President Dr. Arif Alvi says protection of the rights of people and providing them assistance in critical hours is the main responsibility of the state. He was speaking at a ration distribution ceremony for rain and flood-affected people in Mirpur Khas today. The president appreciated the role of NGOs working in Badin, Sanghar, Sakhar and other parts of Sindh for their relief activities. He said Pakistan has set an example in defeating coronavirus pandemic through its smart lockdown strategy. Advisor on Finance Abdul Hafiz Sheikh says the government has repaid 5,000 billion rupees debt during the last 2 years. Addressing a ceremony in Karachi today, he said the government had to take tough decisions to restore the economy affected by coronavirus pandemic. He said efforts are now being made to provide investment-friendly atmosphere in the country. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh said the government paid special attention on revival of downtrodden segments of the society, and Asas program was launched to provide relief to the people. Special Assistant on Poverty Alleviation Dr. Sania Nishtar has said the social protection of masses is the top priority of the government. Speaking during a visit to Asas Kafalat Center in Multan today, she said multi-billion Asas emergency cash program was launched to provide financial assistance to the deserving people. Sania Nishtar said Asas emergency cash program has been devised on the desire of Prime Minister Imran Khan to provide social and economic aid to the deserving segments of the society. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Zafar Mahmood Abbasi says Pakistan Navy will protect national maritime interests at all costs. He was speaking in interaction with the officers and naval personnel during his visit to Gwadar and Urmada today. The naval chief met the officers and other naval personnel deployed in the coastal area and appreciated their commitment and enthusiasm. Admiral Zafar Mahmood Abbasi also inaugurated newly constructed Marines Training Center. The center will provide basic training and advanced courses to Marines from Pakistan and friendly countries. In Afghanistan, 12 Taliban were killed in an airstrike carried out by Afghan security forces in Takhar province today. According to provincial government spokesman, the airstrikes took place after the Taliban militants attacked police patrol teams in the area, leaving 2 dead and injuring 6 others. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.